Name the shaded fraction represented in each fraction bar. So a fraction has two parts. The top part, or the numerator, tells us how many pieces we have. So here, one part is shaded blue, so 1 is our numerator. But the bottom part of a fraction, or the denominator, tells us how many parts there are altogether. In this fraction bar, there are 1, 2, 3 parts altogether, so 3 is our denominator and 1 is our numerator because one part is shaded. So what fraction does this fraction bar represent? Well, again, we only have one part shaded, so our numerator is 1, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts altogether, so our denominator is 4, and we call this fraction 1/4. Now for this fraction bar, we have two parts shaded, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts altogether. So that's 2 over 7, or 2/7, because two parts are shaded and we have 7 equal parts altogether. Now this fraction bar looks a little bit like the first fraction bar, but remember, we need to name the shaded fraction, and in this fraction bar we have 2 parts shaded and 3 parts altogether, so that's 2 over 3, or 2/3. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts shaded, 5 parts altogether, so that's 4 over 5, or 4/5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts shaded and 8 parts altogether, so that's 7 over 8, or 7/8. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.